If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Junkyard here. We are out here today at Bartlett Lake. I'm actually doing this intro towards the end of the day. It's been a tough day already, but I am out here with Drew, aka Southwest Fishing.
How's it going, guys?
Optimistically, I usually don't do an intro until we catch a fish. And we got out here about 10 o'clock today, and the fish were slow to bite. And finally, around a little after 4 o'clock, Drew connected, and finally for me, I finally connected, and so I got a couple fish myself. All right, I got one too, guys. It's about time. Okay, so what we're using again is right now I have 8-pound fluorocarbon, pulling it up on a Gulp Alive. The wind's picking up. Keeps. Yeah, look at the black line on that one. There we go. Just making sure I'm recording here. I am. All right. Very nice. Finally starting to turn on here, people. We've been waiting all day.
Beautiful little crappie.
Here we go, guys. All day long. Just patience, patience, patience. Again, we are at Bartlett Lake. The water levels have picked up immensely. They filled it up, and the bite has just been terrible, unfortunately, until finally we've been persistent, and we've been seeing fish on the graph in this area, so that's why we wanted to hang out here. And we almost picked up anchor, and then Drew has a boil right in front of him. So we stuck around and it paid off. Got one.
Nice.
All right, we got another one. No, it's a little one, but he's good. I got him.
It looked nice. He's all sporadic.
Woo, another black line on it. All right, we're into another one. Got another one here.
Oh, he's fine. They're just little guys. I lucked out getting that big one. They're hanging pretty low.
There you go.
Get a little look at him.
Got another one, guys.
There you go.
Very nice. Look at the black line right there.
That's awesome. I've never seen them so intense on the crappies. Little baby bass.
All right. Oh, you got a bass.
Little baby dinker.
Oh, and there he goes. So Drew got a bass added to his collection of stuff, and the little guy's going a little bit of crazy over here. Did he went under the seat? All right, there he is. Little diggy guy. Very good. Cool. All right, Drew is officially on the Multiple Species Act today. He just pulled in a bluegill. Actually, a nice sized bluegill. Wait.
Little baby bass look like that.
Look at that little thing. So Drew got a little bass, little baby bass.
The amount of baby bass that are in this cove this year is insane. It's gonna be really good for years to come, though. This sucker.
He just hooked into that thing, didn't he? So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit longer. The sun was going down, so I wanted to go ahead and just make sure I had a intro and potentially outro. If we get any additional fish here, well, we'll just consider those bonus fish. And nonetheless, if you have not had a chance to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. And I can't thank you enough for watching. This is Junkyard, needless to say, keep fishing. We're getting ready to go, and I'm at the point where I'm ready to pack it up here. And Drew says, I'm going to take one more cast. And he got another baby bass.
Another little baby bass. Look at that. That's the smallest one of the day for sure.
Oh, that's awesome.
That is insane. Man, when they're little like that, they bite just like damn crappies. I was really excited there. Well,
very cool.
All right.
All right. Well, Drew, say goodbye. What's your channel?
Southwest Fishing, and thank you, Junkyard, for taking me out on your boat.
There you go. Hey, good morning, everybody. Well, I've decided to go ahead and put a catch and cook together for you from those fillets of the crappie that we caught yesterday. So what I went ahead and did is fillet them up. Well, let's get started. Let me show you what we're doing. So the fillets came out beautiful. I filleted them all up nice and big in chunks here. Got some beautiful meat off of it. We're gonna take the fillets and we're gonna use some lemon, some butter, some dill, and some celery salt and some pepper. We're gonna put it all together, make a beautiful little sauce to blanch them in, put it in the oven. We're gonna make baked crappie this morning, and let's see how it comes out. So we're gonna take a quarter cup of butter and put that in the microwave. We're gonna go ahead and cut up the lemon. Cut it right in half there. If you see the seeds, just pop those out so you don't get those in the sauce. But again, if they're in the sauce, they're in the sauce. Okay, so we have the butter. We melted the butter up. We're gonna take the lemon juice of a half of a lemon and just push it. Get as much as the lemon you can out of there. Lemon juice you can. Beautiful. We're going to take about a half a teaspoon of celery salt, about the same amount of pepper, and about the same amount of the dill. All right, let's move that, blend that all together there. All right, now on the cooking pan, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and put olive oil on it. Now, I fortunately have spray olive oil. Now, if you don't have spray olive oil, just use regular olive oil. But since I have it, I'm going to take advantage of it. Take the fillets and then just dip it into the butter sauce and lay it on to the pan here. Okay, that was a perfect amount. So that's, again, the butter and that. And what we'll do is we'll just take the rest of it and we'll just pour it on the tops so we don't miss any opportunities of any of that flavor. Perfect, got a seed there. Let's get that seed off of there so it don't burn in the oven. All right, perfect. Let's get this into the oven. Okay, so what we have is a 400-degree preheated oven. We're gonna place the fish into the oven. So we're gonna put these in the oven for 20 minutes. Alexa, give me a 20-minute timer.
20 minutes, starting now.
So we're gonna put these in the oven for 20 minutes, and when they come out, they should be flaky delicious. All right, let's get these out of the oven here. Look how beautiful those are. Just beautiful flakiness. Let's get my spatula. Look at that. It just, oh, perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right, let's move this over here so we can get the plate over here. So we're going to put a couple of the fillets right onto the plate. We're going to add a little bit more salt and pepper. I made a couple eggs, as you can see, well, because it is breakfast time. Put a little bit garnish there of avocado, and there you go. Baked crappie and eggs, breakfast. All right, let's give it a try. So the crappie is flakes off perfectly. Oh my God, that is so good. The flakiness, it just melts in your mouth. You could taste the butter. You could taste the lemon in there. Baked crappie, everybody. Make sure you give this a try. This is great. Again, as you guys know, I am a fisherman and I am a cook, and I eat a lot of different fish, lots of different ways, but I'm trying to explore and open my horizon. And baked fish is not always one of my favorite styles, but this is really good. So fortunately, my taste buds must be maturing. Hey, make sure you subscribe if you haven't as of yet. And thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. Make sure you comment below. Any questions, please give me questions. Watch my videos. I got thousands of them. This is Junkyard. Thanks for watching. Needless to say, keep fishing, keep cooking. Remember to subscribe.